So, get your elf launcher now, made for kids 3 and up. Now it's time to hop back to your weekend cartoons. It's about time for your favorite show, Kitty and Rocky. Hey, Rocky, could I join you in tag? Maybe? Of course, Kitty. It's like a lava-like game. Though I don't know if you'll be good at it. Hey, that's not
This is not a drill. If you live or are just in games, immediately evacuate. Because scientists have discovered in games infected mushrooms that contain the mushroom infection. The mushrooms have highly contagious spores that can infect other gorillas. Here's some pictures of infected gorillas.